Can we take a second? Hi loves, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Daquana White. I bring you plus size fashion content as well as lifestyle and beauty content. So today will be some beauty content because I will be doing a hair review. Now you guys know I have been literally living in units that don't require lace, glue, anything like that. I have taken a break from, doing lace and all of that, but I came back to show y'all this sleigh right here. I will be including inserts of the full unpackaging, unboxing, as well as the full install and how I got it to be so freaking pretty. But anywho, today I am doing a review for LUVME Hair, and thank you LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. Now these are known for being affordable luxury wigs, and the one I'm wearing today is 20 inches long and it is deep wave, so it is 100% human hair. It's said to last you, for over a year, and I feel like most wigs would, unless you're getting it like sewn to your head and wearing it every day and sleeping in it, which this is a glueless wig. The lace is HD. I showed you how it looked compared to my skin when I first took it out. Literally, it's said to just melt. Now, the reason I did glue it is because I am filming today and tomorrow, and I have some things that I'm doing tomorrow, like dinner, going, to another city, picking up people, all of that stuff. So I don't feel like doing all of this all over again tomorrow. So I just decided to go ahead and glue it down and get it 100% right so I can sleep in it for today. And I'm only kind of like that when it comes to this type of hair. You will see in the video when I like define the curls, it was beautiful. I do like my curls a little more of that dry, wet look, how it's looking right now. This is more my vibe. But if you want to do like a all wet, slick back look, I think that's gorgeous too. And I do show you guys like basically how it's really, really poofy, all the way slicked down. And as you can see it now, it has body movement and just a really nice natural curl. And all I did was put water back into it because I was doing a lot of plucking and all of that stuff. But anywho, once again, thank you LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. I am in love. It feels so lightweight. Now you guys know, like I said, I've been on the vibe with no leave out, no lace, none of that, because I don't want to sweat my lace off or anything like that. But like I said, this is said to be glueless, so you won't have to worry about sweating it off in a sense. But one thing I really liked about this unit was the fact that it had so much security. Like, I love when units come with bands that you can put into it. They have the adjustable bands, they have the combs. It just fits really comfortably. And my head is big, so this is big head friendly. And I think I even have the medium. I didn't even get like a big cap or anything. So yes, do y'all see the movement? But yeah, I really do love this. And I mean, just look at the material. Look at the material. Come on now. But let's start with the stunning packaging, and I will do like a talk through as you guys are seeing me literally put it on my head and all that good stuff. So the packaging was beautiful. You would have already seen me open it by now. I love the bow, and I was able to easily kind of just put it back on there. Love that part of it. The box is really nice too. It definitely feels luxury. This unit at 20 inches ranges at about $320-ish, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know why a lot of units are saying like 100% human hair now instead of saying virgin. I'm wondering if there is a difference, to be honest, but it said 100% human hair from donor. So for me, that says virgin. but it did come in this mesh bag. I was really excited by the lashes because I was very disappointed in my lashes that I wore today. I'm just used to a bigger lash, like something, this is more so an everyday natural, you know, V-part type of look. But I wanted some LUVME, and I was kind of sad because I opened up these beautiful lashes after I had already did my makeup. So I was like, damn it. It did come with this really pretty silk scrunchie. I do feel like these, like, even though this is a 5x5 lace closure, I do feel like this is something that you can kind of tie back or put up if you want to, or even do like a slight flip over, which I was looking at it like, do I want to do the flip over? Do I just want to do a middle part? I wasn't sure, but because I'm filming today, I just was like, let me just do a middle part. And then it also came with a pair of earrings, also like a phone holder, like a pop socket, I guess they call those, and another little cute meshy type bag. And lastly, I was really excited that it came with these press-on nails because I am a press-on nail girl, okay? I love press-on nails. I love doing my nails too. I love getting them done, but I love press-on nails because the convenience, like, I put them on and they're off. And that's kind of what I need in my life. Just depend. I'm a working woman. I do a lot of stuff with my hands. I'm a cleaning woman. And granted, you know, getting gel and all of that. And I know this is not about nails, but doing, you know, gel and all of that. It's like, yeah, it lasts, but it kind of gets in the way. So I have to have like an outfit, press-ons, boom, take them off and get back to regular life. That's me. So yeah, so let's get more into the installation of this unit from LUVME. Like, I think deep wave or kinky straight has become my favorite. Kinky straight with a wand curl has become my absolute favorite, but I really love a kinky curly and a deep wave as well. I mean, this is like my signature. If you see me, I'm probably going to be wearing a curly voluminous unit, and I can't wait till this fully dries and I'm getting all the volume like that. But as far as the install, as I mentioned to you all, I did glue it using Got To Be, so not necessarily like lace bond or anything. I just used some Got To Be 2 layers as well as the spray, and I went ahead, I didn't do the bald cap method or anything like that. Literally just put on a stocking cap, and I honestly think you can get away with not using a stocking cap too, but I just like to use one to kind of, you know, sit my locks down. Okay, so I just put my locks in a ponytail. They weren't like braided down or anything, and this unit still sits pretty nicely. So after I did all of that, I went ahead and let it dry down a little bit while I was, you know, making TikToks and stuff and looking at the wig and unboxing and all that good stuff. And then, like I showed you guys, the interior of the unit is very well made. It's very secure. I love the thick band, and I love that it comes right out like a bra hook. Like, just unhook it. And one thing about that is sometimes they have like the little hooks with like 3 layers, but this one is completely adjustable as far as how tight you want it to be, because it has the like the little mechanism on it that you can pull, just like an adjustable bra or shirt or something, like a strap. So I really like the ultimate customization when it comes to head size, because a lot of us, our heads range as far as sizes and shapes. So I really like that. Now, also, once I got it on, there was some plucking to be done. I'm not even going to hold y'all. I felt like the hairline was a little bit thick, and I did have to pluck some out in order to get the look that I wanted. I still feel like I can pluck more, but I probably wouldn't, because, you know, you always want to start off slow. You know, you can always go back and pluck out more, but if you pluck too much and get a bald spot, it's done. It's over. Now you got to conceal it with some eyeliner and stuff. Like, you don't want to have to do all of that. So, like I said, I had to pluck more hairs out than I expected, but it's okay. I really just wanted something that I can just kind of sit on my head and boom, be gone, because it was, you know, mentioned to be glueless, you know, and undetectable. But as I tell you guys all the time, once you do that one complete wig customization for your head, from then on out, putting it on is like easy peasy. You just throw it on and it's perfect. You don't have to keep doing it over and over and over again as far as customizing your hairline. So I can't appreciate that about this unit, because I feel like after today, after doing the main work, then it'll be like a throw on and go. And sometimes it won't require glue, and other times it might, just depending on the day. So that's what I wanted to say about that. But overall, this hair just feels, as I told you all, very, very lightweight. And it's perfect for the spring and summer. Like I told you, I'm not in the business of melting no lace and stuff this summer and this spring. But this is a good unit for this summer and spring because it is lightweight. It doesn't feel hot. It doesn't feel heavy. It just feels like vacation. It feels like we're outside this summer. Like, it just feels good. Okay. But yes, thank you guys so much for joining. Also, I was about to exit out, but I'm like, hold on, wait, I want to tell them one more thing. The curl pattern. The curl pattern is gorgeous. I literally just sprayed water, added some water-based mousse. Keep that in mind, because sometimes mousse, some mousse products do have like a spritzy kind of feel, where it gives you a lot of hold and like a spiky. You can spike your hair if you want to, or you can get that wet look and keep that wet look. But the water-based mousse, I feel like I'm getting tongue-tied. The water-based moussey foam that I like to use is perfect for this, because it's not gonna weigh it down. It's not gonna make it feel sticky. It literally just defines that curl and looks gorgeous. Like, look at that. Look at her. Look. She's giving us what the girls needed, okay? But now I can let you guys go. And once again, I want to thank LUVME Hair for sending over this 20-inch deep wave HD lace, okay? It is Swiss lace, HD lace unit. And I think it's gorgeous. I will have all of the links down below. And thank you guys so much for joining. Let me know how you rolling this summer. Are you rolling naturalista? I'm doing my locks. I'm doing my V parts. May do a wig here and there, but let me know. Head wraps for sure. Let me know how y'all rolling with y'all hair this spring and summer, letting it all out, tying it all up, protective styling. Let me know, comment down below. And also let me know your thoughts on this hair. I think the curl pattern is gorgeous. Like I said, it's one of my favorite curl patterns. And lastly, I want to thank LUVME Hair once again for sending this over. And I will have all the links down below for you to check out this unit.